Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. So today I gonna show you how to make venu pongal or katte pongali, miriyala pongal. So let's get start into the video. These are the ingredients to necessary to prepare this venu pongal. So first of all, rice, moong dal and pepper seeds, jeera, ginger and cashew, ing, ghee and salt. Okay, now the preparation start. Okay, take a cooker pan and pour onto rice. It should be 1 big cup. Okay, and clean on rice. Okay, now take the ginger pieces and 1 spoon of ing and add into that rice. Okay, now add pepper seeds and jeera and 2 spoons of salt. Okay, now add last and final dal. Half cup of dal. Okay, now add water on that. 2 glasses of water. Now take a cooker closer and close on it. Now put on the pan into stove and flame on it. And put on the vessel. Now wait for 10 to 15 minutes until it comes 3 whistles. Okay, now 3 whistles coming after. Wait for 5 minutes. After then, open the closer of the cooker pan. Now take an empty bowl and flame on it and add into the ghee on that, half cup of ghee. Now heated the ghee and add cashew on that and roast it well. Now roasted cashew add into that rice mixture. Now mix it well again into the ghee and cashews on that rice mixture. Now take an empty bowl and serve it. Now garnish venu pongal into cashews like so. So this is the venu pongal. So now tasting time. So now I tasted it and tell how about this. So this is very nice, so solid and very superb recipe and healthy recipe. So I hope you are all enjoying to watch this video and happy Navratri all of you. So this is the first day prasad. So I hope you are all enjoying to watch this video. I hope like this video. If you like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys. Take care. Happy Navratri, all of you.